my stay with the BCC Cat family, it's been a journey. And I've been very privileged and proud and very blessed to be able to be part of that journey.
It really changed me. I started here, ma'am, as an immature person. I came here working as a rank and file employee, and with the guidance of the management, it really improved not just my professional skill, but also my personal development.
One of the proudest moments for me is from being a scholar. I became one of their employees. I was a scholar for 2 years, then I became an employee after I graduated.
Of course, very fulfilling kasi nararamdaman namin na inaalagaan kami ng company, and also yung naisi-share namin yung aming pag-aalaga din sa aming mga field personnel.
I'm happy, sobra. Kasi even I'm only 12 years here, parang na-feel ko yung na-at home ako. Kasi yung binigay nilang core values ng company, even bago ka pa lang dito, mapi-feel mo na belong ka sa group.
Division of Attorney po is that to help his people, all the members of the BCC Group of Companies, kasama na rin po ako, na magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan, especially the family. Kasi kung maganda naman ang pagtatrabaho ng isang tao, kasabay na rin po ang pagunlad ng buong kumpanya.
Proud ako na maging isang empleyado ng BCC Cat Securities kasi dito sinasabuhay namin ang integridad, malasakit, bayanihan at taus-pusong paglilingkod sa kapwa.
Napakahalaga po ng value ng bayanihan sa team namin as purchasing department po kasi hindi po kaya ng isa lang talaga yun. Kailangan ng tulong ng bawat isa sa amin para mapaunlad hindi lang po yung sarili namin kundi yung buong department po namin.
Bilang building services, heroic teamwork, yun yung pinaka-core namin. Kung hindi namin magagawa yun, hindi namin ma-meet yung deadlines and hindi kami makakapag-provide ng quality work para sa company.
So to be able to provide a better output, so kailangan naming mag-collaborate ng team with the department para ma-encourage namin yung department kung ano ba yung compelling output or better output na pwede nilang mailagay doon sa presentation nila during business management reporting.
Naranasan ko po ang bayanihan na kung saan pag meron po kaming floating guards, hindi lang po yun ang pinapabayaan namin, kundi hinahanapan po namin yun ng posisyon na kung saan ay natutugon po ang kanyang kwalifikasyon sa detachment na kanyang pupuntahan.
We had several events before in AIA Philippines na kailangan namin mag-deploy ng security event personnel. We also deployed runners. So, nag-seek kami ng assistance among other clusters, and the clusters provided runners who can keep up on that pace. We have successfully satisfied the requirements of our client through the spirit of bayanihan among clusters.
I believe na yung teamwork, yung isa sa mga requirement niya is yung ability to trust people. Matuto ka o maniwala ka dun sa kakayahan nila, dun sa kanilang commitment sa trabaho.
Especially during pandemic. So, doon lumabas yung teamwork ng grupo namin, no? Itong buong building na to, na pumasok ang virus sa amin. So, kami ang bukod tanging una at huling papasok sa building. So, kailangan namin maglinis, kailangan namin i-disinfect ang lahat.
Malasakit for me refers to those who are in need. And then, dapat kami bilang nagbibigay ng service sa kanila, nandun yung empathy. Dapat nakikita namin yan kasi marami po ang in need sa aming mga field personnel.
Iparamdam mo ang totoong pagmamalasakit sa kanila. Pakinggan mo ang kanilang hinanaing. Iparamdam mo na hindi sila iba sa'yo.
It's undoubtedly the concern must be genuine. Otherwise, there would be no connection between us and the employee. I take pride after every case that we process. We sense the happiness that exudes from the employee because it seems to us that he has learned from the process.
Thanks to the support of the management given to the Human Resources Department, nakakapagbigay po tayo ng employment kahit yung mga aplikante natin. We provide financial assistance for them to pursue their application with us.
Si BCC Diagnostic lamang po ang nakapag-implement when it comes to Neuro, na meron po kaming 3 confirmatory test bago namin totally bigyan ng not recommended ang isang guard. Based on our inspectors from PNP, it is only CAT Security who practices that. Kasi according to their bylaws, it is only pass and failed. Pero kay BCC Diagnostic nga po, we realizes the need na bigyan pa sila ng pagkakataon to adjust until they reach the 3rd confirmatory test. So, doon po namin talaga na ipapakita yung taos-pusong paglilingkod at saka magmamalasakit namin sa kanila.
In my field of work, especially we're in the supply chain logistics, it's very important with integrity. Because integrity is like you will be working even when no one is watching, you will do the right thing.
Because even if walang nakatutok na mga official from HQ, ginagawa nila ng maayos yung trabaho nila. And if ginawa ng aming mga guards yung kanilang trabaho, it will result doon sa pagbibigay namin ng karapat-dapat na serbisyo sa aming mga kliyente.
Last September 2022, isa ako sa naging respondent doon sa pag-rescue ng isang kliyente sa Provident, Marikina. And then, kailangan na talaga silang i-rescue dahil sobrang taas na ng baha. Isa silang pamilya na kailangan ng i-rescue dahil yung meron silang baby na may sakit na kailangan nandalin sa ospital. For me, yung genuine concern is hindi lang din siya dito sa pangloob ng company natin. Mapapakita natin sa kanila yung pagiging concern and matulungin natin bawat tao.
Napakasaya ko po kasi naging part po ako ng company. Tapos eto na po, 50 years na siya. So looking forward po na makasama ko pa po silang lahat sa mga susunod pa pong taon.
Hopefully, the Golden Jubilee that we are celebrating now is just the start of more employment and sa mga umaasa sa company.
I am committed to giving my best daily until I retire. Not forgetting what the principles of the company, aligning them with the principles and values that I gained throughout my entire life, and be committed to stay and be consistent. So looking forward to the day when we can leave company and be confident that we are part of the legacy.